Good morning, students. Welcome to CMD lecture. Okay, the last class we discussed about the what is the representation, how to name the thread. For example, M8, M10. Okay, if you go to any shops, how to ask for the specifications of the thread and all these things. Okay, in today's sessions, we'll be going with the how to represent with this. Okay. So how to drawing steps of external thread, how to draw this external thread, very important. Okay, first let's see by the step by step. Okay, first you draw the axis, thread axis. Okay, very first. Next is draw the major diameter. Okay, for example, M10 metric, M10 M8. So 10 is representing the diameter, you should draw the diameter. Okay, take a starting line, starting positions. From that, mention the thread length. Okay, say about 45 mm, 50 mm, whatever the length is that. So you have to mention the thread length. Mention next. You mention the minor diameter. Minor diameter. Okay. So draw the 45-degree chamfering. Okay, on both the sides. Okay. So next, draw a line making 30-degree with the thread axis. Okay, so that will be giving. So join the outside portions. So thick will be representing u for the crest. Okay, in external thread. Okay, so thin will be representing u for the roots. Okay, so axis it is there. Okay, so in the side view, how to represent it? Okay, draw a circle that represent a crest. Okay, draw an arc that represent a root. 3/4 arc will be representing the root. Okay, next we'll see the drawing steps of threaded holes. Okay, through threaded holes. Okay, draw axis, major diameter, minor diameter. Okay, draw a root. Next, draw a crest. Sectional view, root. So this is the sectional line or drawn in the crest of thread. Okay, side view, draw an circle that represent a crest, draw an arc that represents a root. Okay, got the difference? Okay, so earlier this is for the through holes or the internal threads. Okay, this is for the internal threads, and previously what we have shown here. Okay, so for example, here in this, if this is for internal thread. Internal thread. Okay, for external, reverse. Okay, full circle. Next one, arc. Okay, so that will give you all these things. Next we'll be seeing about drawing steps of threaded holes. Blended threaded holes. Draw axis. Next, thread depth, minor diameter, major diameter, this is the blinded holes, threaded holes. How it represent? In the side view, drawn circle that represent crest, arc that represent the root. Okay, internally. Okay, it's also become a internal threads. This is sectional view. Okay, external thread. How to dimensioning the external thread? Use local node to specify the thread form, nominal size, and pitch. If it is a fine thread, M10. So M is for the metric. M is for metric. Okay, M is for metric. Okay, so this is 10 is diameter, major diameter. Okay, so all these things. So all these things. Okay. Next, we'll see. So M will be giving fine thread M10. Use typical method to specify the thread length. So here we are given mention the thread length. Okay. Okay. Next we'll see. Dimensioning threaded hole. Use local node to specify the tap, drill size, drill depth, threaded forms, nominal size, pitch, and thread depth. Okay, holes it is that. Okay, it's a external internal thread. Okay, so 8.50 drill size. So drill depth 20 deep. Okay, thread forms M10. Okay, with nominal size. Okay, so tapped of tapping. Okay, 15 mm D. Okay, so this is how we mention threaded fasteners bolt. Okay, so we'll be seeing day-to-day activities with the bolt and nuts in almost all the applications. Okay, in screws also it is there. Okay, bolt is a threaded cylinder with a head. Okay, so this one is the bolt. Bolt. Okay, this one is a nut. Okay, so next we'll see so side view how it looks like. Okay, dimension of bolt head listed in the table 9.4. Head thickness. Okay, bolt head thickness what will be should be there, and it should be a pentagonal shapes. Okay, hexagonal shapes, hexagonal bolt with nut and bolts, hexagonal headed bolt and nut. Okay, next we'll see draw bolt axis, how to draw these bolts. Okay, draw an end view of the head. Okay, starting positions, head, project all these points, 30-degree chamfering. Okay, draw body of the bolt, length, thread length, major diameter, minor diameter. This is about the things. Next it is a nut, end view of the nut, nut size, circle. So draw the pentagon, hexagon, height, so all these things, repetitive same. Draw a dashed line represents the threaded hole are omitted for clarity here. Bolt applications. Insert bolt into the clearance hole. Insert washer. Insert nut. Screw nut. Screw a nut. To join the two parts, okay, so we are going to use the fastener, threaded fasteners. This is nut and bolt assemblies. Okay, so this about the all these things. Okay, hope you understood this concept. Okay, for any doubt, feel free to contact me. Okay, go through the slides. Thank you.